Okay, so I had to rip apart the trans because the shaft comes through here into this pump. As you can see, the pump has little notches that, that pin drives when it goes through that hole there. And this is the input shaft that comes in from the top. Now your K47s and some of the other 57s do not have that drive. This one does, so when you pull this out, you're more than likely going to lose that pin, so I had to pull it all apart. The pin was laying underneath into the filter area, so now I just have to press this bearing off and put it on the new shaft, and I'll have to reassemble it that way and then put it back together and fill it with oil. So that's the update for now.